So what can one say about BooleanBecause2.c? Well, we can say that again, the compiler will generally create one-to-one mappings between Boolean operations like OR, but sometimes you have to go out of your way to, trick it into generating exactly the sort of rote compilation you want with something like optimization, but then hiding things like input arguments via command line. And so with that, we found ourselves an ORI, which was explicitly here, and we got ourselves an ANDI, which was not explicitly here, but was used because of the sort of truncation that's going on here. We're ultimately returning a character. We just want to make sure that we only put a character value into K before we return it back as the return from main. So we picked up an ORI and an ANDI, and now we have a happy little family of Zori, Ori, and Andy. And that's going to do it for the Boolean instructions of RISC-V. The only thing left is for some of you to go off and name your kids Zori, Ori, or not Andy because that's too easy, but Zori would be an awesome name for a kid. So do that.